Good afternoon, dear students. I came here to teach you math subject of standard 5th. First chapter is large number. Before that, I will like to introduce myself first. My name is Somesh Patil. I completed my engineering from Sri Guru Gobind Singh Institute of Engineering and Technology. And right now, I am teaching you a math subject. And the first chapter of your syllabus is large number. In that chapter, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn 7 and 8 digit numbers. What are the 7 and what are the 8 digit numbers? After that, second point is Indian system of numeration. How to write that 7 and 8 digit numbers in Indian numeration system. And after that, what is the use of commas? Why we use commas to separate that particular period? So, first of all, we start with our first point, that is 7 and 8 digit number. Now look here. Now count the digits in that particular given number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 digits in given particular number. So this number is what? 8 digit number. Are you getting? What is 8 digit number? What is 7 digit number? That is digits in the given number. You have to count that particular digits in the given number. Then you come to know whether they are 7 digit numbers or whether they are 8 digit numbers. Now we are taking one example of 7 digit number. Now count that particular given number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is what? This is the 7 digit number. First point is what? 7 and 8 digit number. Are you getting? What is the 7 digit number? What is the 8 digit number? 7 डिजिट के नाम क्या होते हैं? 8 डिजिट्स के क्या होते हैं नंबर? उसमें क्या रहता है? 7 डिजिट्स के नंबर में 7 डिजिट्स रहते हैं. अगर आप काउंट करोगे इस नंबर को तो आपको इसमें 7 डिजिट्स मिलेंगे. इसके बाद इसके लिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? 7 डिजिट्स नंबर कहते. सो नाउ वी आर मूव फॉरवर्ड टू सी व्हाट इज इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. Second point is Indian system of न्यूमरेशन. आपको पता है क्या इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन क्या होता है? अगर नहीं तो देखिए इधर. देयर आर several periods. First period is of ones. Second period is of thousands. Third period is of lakhs, and the fourth period is of crore. Now this one period is divided into 3 grades. First one is of ones. The symbol of that ones is O. Second is of tens. The tens is written as a T. Third one is of hundreds. Hundreds is written as a H. Now this thousand grade is divided into 2 grades. First one is 1000 and second one is 10,000. This lakh grade is divided into two grades, that is lakh and 10 lakh. And this crore grade is also divided into two grades. That first one is crore and second one is 10 crore. Are you getting what is the Indian system of numeration? Indian system of numeration क्या होता है? उसमें चार ग्रेड्स होते हैं. पहला ग्रेड होता है वो वंस का होता है, सेकंड जो होता है वो थाउजेंड्स का होता है, थर्ड ग्रेड लैक्स का होता है और चौथा ग्रेड करोड़्स का होता है. जो वंस पीरियड है वो तीन ग्रेड में फर्दर डिवाइड किया जाता है. पहला ग्रेड कौन सा उसमें का? वंस. सेकंड इज ऑफ टेंस, थर्ड इज ऑफ 100. Now this 1000 grade is divided into two grades. First one is 1000, second one is 10,000. Further, the lakh grade is also divided into two grades. First one is of lakh, second one is of 10 lakh. And remaining crore grade is also divided into two grades. First one is of crore and second one is of 10 crore. Now see, we will take one example. We will take two examples and write both these two examples in the standard form. See here, यहाँ पे चार पीरियड्स है. फर्स्ट है वंस का, सेकंड है थाउजेंड्स का, थर्ड है लैक्स का और चौथा है करोड़्स का. So each and every period in the Indian numeration system is separated by using comma. अपन क्या यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे? सेपरेट करने को कॉमा यूज करते हैं. नाउ दिस वंस पीरियड हैविंग थ्री ग्रेड, दैट इज वंस, थाउजेंड एंड 100. आफ्टर द थ्री डिजिट्स वी यूज कॉमा टू सेपरेट दैट वंस पीरियड. देयरफॉर वी यूज हियर कॉमा आफ्टर थ्री डिजिट so that we can show the period. Now second 1000 period having two grades, therefore we use comma after two digits. This lakh grade is also having two grades, therefore we use comma to separate this lakh grade. Now we are able to read this number. What is the number in it? The number is 5 crore 26 lakh 36,168. So now we can put these given numbers in this standard form of numeration. Here the periods are given, the grades are given. We have to just put the value in that given number in the standard. So अब देखो यहाँ पे जो 8 नंबर है वो वंस प्लेस पे, उसको मराठी में क्या कहते हैं? एकक. This 8 digit at ones place. So we write this 8 digit here in the ones column. Now see 6. The 6 is at tens place. So we write 6 here in tens place. 1 is at what? 100. This ones period is divided into three grades, that is ones, tens, 100. We write this 8 here is a ones grade. We write this 6 in a tens grade. We write 1 in a 100 grade. Now see, what is that? 6. We have to write the 6 in this 1000 grade. We have to write this 3 into 10,000. We have to write this 6 into lakh grade. This 2 into 10 lakh and 5 is at crore. Now see, we write the same number in the standard form. There are same number of digits which are in that number and which are in that table. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 8 digits in this number and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digits in this standard table. Are you getting how to write that particular number in the standard form and how to use commas? Keep one thing in mind that commas are used to separate periods. Note that. Note, commas are used to separate periods. Now, there is a practice session which is given in your book. I know that most of you doesn't have a book. So, first thing that you have to do is to buy a book which are available in your school. So, visit your school once and buy the books from your school, and on this data which we are studying in this session, you have to solve the first practice which are on the page number 3 of your textbook. So watch this video and try to know the concept which I have told you in this video and try to solve this particular exercise. Thank you.